This is this SanDisk 128 gigabyte. Actually 128 gigabytes. That's here information you can read. If you want to know more, just a flash drive. I think I bought about $9 or something. I think no, $20, $19. I forgot, but it's around that. You know what? My first flash drive I bought is around 2005. Only 32. I think 32 megabyte. It cost me $30 something. Can you believe that's 120 gigabytes now that cost about less than $20? 1 gigabyte is equal to 1,000 bytes. Actually, 1,000. I think 1,000 something. 128, 256, 524, 1,048. I think 1,048. But usually now I heard people say like 1 gigabyte is 1,000. I don't know. Probably they have a note somewhere here. You can see. So because I don't have glasses, so I cannot see it. Anyway. That's the flash drive. Remember come back. I will collect all my flash drive, and I will show you. And then I think I have the receipts of cost, how much I bought too. So this is everybody know. I think it's easy. You just flash in the computer, and you store your files, or picture, or whatever in here. And then you can keep that, or you can print to another computer to open the files, and you do stuff and just sit back here, and then that's okay. They mark the line here. You cut right here. Let's see. Most of the time I cut it. I cannot open it, but now let's see this one. I haven't bought a flash drive for a long time. The last time I bought is I think at least 10 years ago. The maximum I bought is 16 gigabytes. I think it's 16 maximum, yeah. But that time it's cost me 20 something already. I bought it on sale on the Black Friday too, but back then that the Black Friday is a great deals, not like now, because now a lot of people know us as Black Fridays have a lot of great deal, and people from other countries book a ticket to travel here on the Black Friday, so buy stuff they brought back to their country. They sell us because it's a product of USA. I'm not about the product in US. It's good. They seal in the package too. That sound makes you think I'm in Asia countries, is right? It's a scooter sound. I think that a boy, I think a teenage boy, he has the small. They're kind of not the scooters. It's just kind of small, and he drove around in the neighborhood to check in people's lawns because he has some business about long hairs, and he comes to cut their grasses and then mow their lawn, stuff like that, and then he got a bigger business. I think he got that business and he is still in the middle school. And at first I saw him have the, push a lawnmower. He pushed mow his grandma home where he lived is long, and the neighbor next that, and all the people, they they asked them to mow that lawn, and then so since then he got a business around there, and then spend back to the subdivision. He now in the high school, and I think he in a 10th grade, so it's sophomore, in a sophomore high. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's and when you use this, it's just a pun right there, and then hook up on the computer and restore. And I will show you how to use this later. And then you push down and cover back in, push down, just back, push down, put back in, and then that's it. I thank you for watching. See you next video. It's the same time. The battery of the camcorder is done too. Okay, bye bye.